This tutorial today, I want to show you another website that can pay you for doing micro tax here in Nigeria. So if you are new to this channel, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. This is online store. We have a bunch of videos here on how to make money online. So I advise you to click the subscribe button now, subscribe to this channel, and also make sure you like this video. Let's get started. Now, the website that I'm about to show you here, the link will be in the description box below, and you can see I've gotten 515 naira here. So, and at the end of this video, I will show you how you can withdraw this money to your local bank account. Now, the name of this website here is Hawkit. So what do you do here in Hawkit? In this platform, you follow social media accounts and you get paid for doing those things. So the first thing you need to do is for you to go to the link in the description box below. The sign up process is very simple. So go to the link in the description box below and click on the link. It will take you to the sign up page and you have to sign up to this platform. So when you sign up, you get into your dashboard. Let me show you how you can perform this task. So you click on this particular link here. So you have them here. You post adverts on your Facebook page, you get paid 100 naira. Post adverts on your Instagram page, you get paid 100 naira. You post adverts on your Twitter page, you get paid 100 naira. TikTok the same way, and then WhatsApp status is 50 naira. So this is another way. These ones here, you can perform engagement tags, and I have 1333 tags available here. So I click here, you can see different tags to follow people and pages. You have another one here on Facebook, you have another one here, you have another one here on AudioMark, to subscribe to YouTube channel, to like people's video, and all the rest of them. So let me look for one. So in my case, I want to click on this one. So this is loading. You have to generate this and click yes, and make sure you don't make any mistake. So if you want to do this, you can click on do now, or you can cancel this tax. When you cancel, another one will load up for you. So let me generate another tax. Right, so I have to follow this TikTok page, so I'll click on do now. After that, I click on, you have to follow these instructions. Read these instructions first. You have to open this particular link, on yellow, and it will take you to the profile page, and you have to follow that page. And after that, you screenshot the page and then send your proof here. So let's do it now. So I'll visit this link. All right, so I have to follow the page. So the next thing now is for me to screenshot this page. If you don't know how to screenshot on PC, it's just for you to go to a new window and then click and then type the screenshot Chrome extension, and then you download the Chrome extension. So I have it already here, so I have to screenshot this page. If you are using your mobile device, of course you know how to screenshot on your mobile device. Don't need to show you that. So after that, you come back here and then upload the picture here. Click here to upload the picture, and then select that screenshot and then open. After you done that, you have to put your social media name, either on Facebook or TikTok or Instagram. So I have to come to my profile here and see my profile name. So I have to copy this name. This is my profile name. I have to copy it and come back here to paste it, and then upload proof. So you see how simple this job is done. So once that is done, you have to you have to go back here. So click on generate next task, click yes. So the next one is generated. I have to follow the same process. Now I visit this link. So the next thing is for me to follow this page and then do the same thing, the page, and then come back to Hawkit and upload the proof, and then my social media account, profile name. So then upload it. Another one will be generated. Okay, we have to go back first. So I need to generate another one here. So I do another one, follow the same process, and then I follow this page, and then I have to screenshot the page, come back to Hawkit, make sure I upload the screenshot, and then go back. So I have to generate another one and do. So I need to visit this link, do the same thing, and scroll down, upload the screenshot, then put my username and upload the proof, and go back. So let me go back to my home page. So you can see within these few minutes I've gotten 18 naira. So guess if you do this for 1 hour, guess how much you get. So let me show you how you can withdraw this money to your local bank account. But before we do that, this platform have many features where you can earn or you can advertise your own social media, and this also double up as another affiliate market where you can sign up and promote products and make money as an affiliate marketer. So they have bunch of categories here that you can choose any category, whether you're on health and beauty, whatever, whether you're on technology, you have their products here as you can see them. So if you promote, if you promote this product, you have commissions from them. So for you to promote this product is for you to click on resell. Once you click on resell this product, and then a link will be generated. So they click on generate link. So this link will be generated for you. So you need to copy this link and then promote this product on your social media account and earn commissions. So whoever buys and the product from you, you get a commission. So this also double up as another affiliate marketplace. So so let's move to the next stage to show you how you can withdraw this money to your local bank account. You can also use it to buy airtime. So I need to withdraw. I want to withdraw. Before you proceed to withdraw, you must make sure you update your bank details. You must update your bank details here and enter the amount. So let me enter the amount that I want to withdraw. So let me withdraw 500 naira, just 500 naira. Let me withdraw 500 naira from this platform right now. So the minimum withdrawal is 100 naira. You can withdraw as low as 100 naira. So on each withdrawal, 11 naira will be deducted from your account. So let me insert my password now and then click on withdraw. So I need to confirm I'm the one that wants to withdraw. So I have to go to my Gmail account and then click on continue. So so my withdrawal transaction is successful. So the money will arrive in my Access Bank within 24 hours. So I need to wait for 24 hours, then I will receive alert from this platform. So guys, that is how you can earn money from this website. So before that, before you'll be able to perform tasks and make money from this platform, you have to sign up as a member. So you have to pay a membership fee of 1000 naira and you become a member. Once you do that, you start making money from this platform. And don't forget, 1000 naira is nothing compared to how much you will get from this platform. So what are you waiting for? Click the link now in the description or in the comment section and sign up on this platform and make your money. So if you're new to this channel, once again, please subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that once I upload another amazing video like this, you will be notified. And make sure also you like this video, and if you need one-on-one contact, go to the link and click on the link and join my WhatsApp group. If you want to see another means of making money online, click on this video streaming up here. So thanks very much for watching. We shall see in our next tutorial.